Happy Monday, everyone. It's a new week. The sun is out. No more clouds in the sky. Also, my hair, I think I mentioned this in my last video, but I chopped off like 4 inches, and it's so weird because if you're a girl, you probably know this feeling, but the best way I can describe it is like when you get a haircut and then you wash your hair for the first time, or you like run your hands through the bottom of it, it almost like curves at the bottom. You can feel it rounded because it's such a fresh cut. And then eventually as it grows out, then it doesn't feel that way anymore. But my hair literally feels so rounded at the bottom every time I pull it through. And I'm still getting used to that. I am so over TikTok and all of the short form content videos. I go through waves of wanting to stop social media, like maybe a little too often, but YouTube is always like a comfort, safe space. And so today I was like, you know what? I really miss it. I want to come back and talk to my people. Today's kind of a self-care day. I feel like that's a great way to start the week since it is Monday. I have a nail appointment in 30 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna go and get my face waxed, which kind of sounds weird, but basically I am the type of person that cannot do a lot of facial hair like at all, but I'm a female, I'm a human, so obviously if I grow hair on my legs, if I grow hair on my arms, I'm probably gonna also get it on my face. And so eyebrows and stuff, I always wax and I don't wax, I tweeze and pluck at home because it's easy. And then I also have these like little face razor things, and so I can like do this and whatnot. I don't think I've ever actually talked about this before, but I used to be so insecure about my sideburns. I guess I would call it that. But so like this right here, when I was in 4th or 5th grade, my silly self decided to take one of those facial razors and like shave my sideburns, and it made it grow back thicker and longer, and I instantly regretted doing that. Like I never should have done that. From that point on, I decided, okay, I'm just gonna start waxing it, because I have found at least that whenever I wax it, I don't even need to wax it until every 4 months. And so the time has come. Can't really even see it from over here, but I can see it whenever I'm doing my makeup and whenever I wear my hair up, and I just like it very clean. So those are the 2 main things happening today. I think for nails, I'm just gonna do what I always do, which is, oh gosh, I should have thrown a trigger warning. These are so outgrown. I always do a mix of Funny Bunny and then bubble bath, but I must admit I am that person that will wait until it's really grown, like outgrown all the way, because nails are expensive. They're not cheap in this economy. I try to maximize the most out of it. Really quick before we go, I'm gonna put sunscreen on my hands. It's something that I always do. I started doing this like, it's the way I just walked away. Not a thought behind those eyes. My salon uses a UV light, and those things are very strong. So I just always like to go in and put it on the tops of my hands and then kind of along the fingers. I think I've transitioned from matcha lattes with milk, honey, cinnamon, to now filling this mason jar up with water, putting a packet of the Peak Tea Sun Goddess matcha, and then shaking it with the mason jar lid, and then I just add a couple ice cubes. I'm gonna be so honest, I think this tastes way better, and it doesn't leave me feeling like super heavy. I do love a good matcha latte with honey and cinnamon, but I think this is actually how you're supposed to drink it. And I love that Peak Tea has the little packets, because now I can take them everywhere when I travel. Laura's asleep right now and at home, so the nail appointment is not happening. Honestly, I think I might just go somewhere else and try a new place. Face is waxed. I feel like myself again. I'm trying out a new nail salon because I really do need my nails done today. I really hope that they take walk-ins, because I can't go another day with my nails like this. Bad news. They are all booked today. They're not taking any walk-ins. I don't know if the universe is just telling me to not get my nails done today or what, but I'm gonna try, oh, what is that? I'm gonna try one more place. Dang it. They look so good. I tried out a new place called TT Nail Spa, and Tammy was the girl that did my nails today. best breakfast sandwich I think I've ever made. Look at this cheese, maple sausage, eggs. Oh my gosh. All on a cinnamon bagel too. That's how you know it's good. One of my best friends works at Goldstein's Bagels, which is like my favorite bagel place here in Boise. And she brought me back a pack of 8 or 10 bagels. And I have been making these probably like twice a week. So good. Look how pretty it is. My bird feeder has been attracting so many birds. I already had a workout this morning downstairs, but at 9 a.m. I'm gonna go on a walk with my friend Grace. We plan to meet right by the zoo at the Greenbelt. It's been so long since I've been able to catch up with her, but she's home for the summer in Idaho, so obviously we had to get together. I'm also going to the Snake River Stampede Rodeo tonight with my friend Jaden. I went to a rodeo in Eagle, Idaho last week, and that was really fun, but that one was more outdoors, and I'm pretty sure this one's at the Nampa Ford Center, which is indoors. First stop, we're going to Black Rock. I'm gonna pick up a small iced chai for Grace, and then I think I'm gonna get a latte with honey and cinnamon for me. And then we're gonna go meet at the Greenbelt, like I said earlier. I think my friend is working this morning at Black Rock, so I'm crossing my fingers that it aligns and we end up seeing each other at the drive-thru. Oh my gosh, I love summers in Boise so much. Cue the playlist. Guys. There's Miss Allie. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I like to just order what I know because I'm stuck in my ways, but I feel like I should be adventurous and try something new today. I'm gonna take a quick peek at their menu. What did I just say? A quick pick? I'm gonna take a quick peek at their menu and see if there's anything good that I could try. So Griffin and I are going to New York next month. If you have any recommendations at all for what we should do, where we should eat, we're probably gonna be staying near Chelsea Street because I really wanna go to the Chelsea market, but also my friend Alana told me that she thinks that area would be straight up my alley. I'm really looking forward to that, but a part of me also really wants to go to Brooklyn a little bit. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Sorry, I'm gonna pull up a little bit further. Okay. Can I please do a small iced latte with almond milk, honey, and then cinnamon on top, please?
Yeah, or you said small.
Yes.
Iced latte with honey, almond milk, and on top. Anything else for you?
And then one other drink. Can I do a small iced chai latte with oat milk, please?
Yeah, we're just here for you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see Allie. I'm also going to San Francisco later this month. I have some stuff that I need to do for my internship, but I also am gonna go visit Nana in Mill Valley, and then I am going to like a basketball game. Very busy, but I'm trying to make the most out of my summer here in Boise because, like I've mentioned so many times, summers in Boise are just simply the best. Oh my gosh, hi! Good morning, love. How are you?
I'm good. Yeah. I slept on Jack's new bed last night. I slept sound.
Did you do how many monkeys jumping on the bed?
No, I literally oh my god, last night I drank anything at all.
Easy breezy.
It'll be fine.
Hold on, I'm gonna like reach.
Which one's yours?
The latte. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you. You have a good day. Hopefully it's a good customer line.
Yeah, it will be.
You know.
I'm manifesting.
Yay.
It can't go wrong.
Love you.
I love you.
Bye. I am obsessed with Miss Allie. She is one of my favorite humans ever. And she wrote a little sweet note on the top of my latte cup. I'll show you guys once I end up parking. But we're gonna head over to Julia Davis right now. Also want to give a little shout out to my friend Grace, the one that I'm about to meet. Such a talented photographer. If you want to do a couple shoot, a senior shoot, literally anything, she does some of the best work that I've ever seen, and I just adore her with my heart. In the water, in the sand, life is good today. Ooh, this is good. Pour me some Jaeger. I grab my guitar and
Really? Well, it's the camera was like so low compared to where you stand. And I'm not even like tall, so I'm like, if you were even taller.
Thinking it's all the same. Thinking we playing games. I know how
but there's a slight breeze, so it feels kind of good. Okay, my plan is to tan out here for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. That way my hair has ample time to dry before I go to the rodeo tonight.
Take my time, get in my line, beat her down, she wanna feel my vibe. Hands on the way, she wanna hold me close. She been really solid through the highs and lows.
This is my new robe that came in the mail about a week and a half ago, and it's from Jurek Avenue's new collection. This is the thickest, most comfy robe I think I've ever owned. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that I wear a lot of robes. Like, I think I have 5 or 6 in my closet. This is by far the comfiest, best quality material. I've got a couple of hours to kill, which is perfect because it'll allow my hair to dry. But I also want to do a face mask and then finish some work for my internship. Then I can get ready for the whole rodeo stampede tonight. Thank goodness this venue is indoors, because last week when I went to the one outdoors, it was hotter than Hades. I think this is the only, oh wait, no, I have some face masks up here. First option is Monyo, one of my favorite Korean brands. This is their Bifida wrap mask. Good for the skin barrier, moisturization, and vitalizing skin. Okay, then we have a collagen elasticity one. I think this one's also from Korea. Yeah, this one is South Korean. Or we have the Innisfree Rose Energy Mask. I think I want to do the collagen one today. I have no clue what I'm going to wear to the rodeo tonight. I have this long jean dress that could be an option, and I bought it a couple months ago. Every time that I have put it on, I just hate the way that it looks on me. I think a big part of that is because I'm not very tall, but the dress is like, it goes all the way to the floor. So unless I'm wearing heels with it, but I don't really want to wear heels to a rodeo. I'd rather wear cowgirl boots. I wonder what people think if they've never seen a face mask like this. Yes! Alright, I hope this makes me look bomb. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. See you guys in 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, am I glowing? To the trash. I'm gonna make some lunch because I'm hungry and it's like 12:30 right now. I will prolong how long I can stay in my robe. So this will be on probably for the next hour and a half. Ew!
Poor little guy. I know. It just won't leave you alone. I'm so sorry. Do you want me to FaceTime you so you see him?
Don't let him terrorize my baby.
Hold on. Say hi to mommy.
He looks traumatized.
Honey, I'm so sorry. He was doing a nasty with you, honey. And the thing is that they're all been neutered, all 4 dogs.
I know, nothing's happening.
Nobody can impregnate anybody in this circus.
And now we're seeing cars that truck beds, and every road's like a cop. I wish honky tonks didn't have no clothes in town. And I wish grandpas never died.
Today's boots are from Princess Polly. These are my favorite boots ever, and they're actually so comfortable, which is very rare for brands that are not Tecovas or what are those other, what's the other brand? Cavenders, I think. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Look how cute!
Okay. Should we shot first or drink?
Let's do shot first.
It's like a sweeter.
Where did you get these little cowboy
My
boots?
birthday.
Guys, we're literally going to the rodeo tonight. Literally going to the rodeo. Go, Hunter.
This is my fish gum drops. Look.
Hey guys, currently shopping. excited to see the bull riding. What are you most excited to see?
I am most excited to see.
I'll be right with you.
Okay, thank you. I like the Bronx, but.
I know sooner or later it
And then
will
just to
come.
confirm, there's no nuts in that, right?
Very basic, but I haven't read the ingredients. That's where I built.
Also good.
I think get to do a baby. You're so
Feel warm and dry, like a kiss in July. Chill down my back when I cold like the snow, and I look at my window, what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause they already know what is a life been in love.
'Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try